These AI side hustles feel illegal because of how easy they are to pull off, but they actually work, and people are already making real money with them with zero experience. Here's how they work. AI Side Hustle 1. Let's start with something that has been blowing up on Etsy lately, and that's selling AI travel itineraries. When people book a trip, they usually want a ready-made plan of what to do, where to eat, and how to spend their time without wasting hours on research. If you check Etsy right now, there are sellers offering downloadable travel guides for cities all over the world. Some of these guides have hundreds of sales, and since they're digital products, there's no shipping, no inventory, just pure passive income. What's interesting is that most of these guides are basic PDFs that you can make in under an hour with AI tools. The way it works is you pick a destination with high traffic. Right now, demand is strong for major cities that are hosting big events. New Jersey will host matches for the FIFA World Cup. Paris is constantly trending. Tokyo never goes out of style, and Rio de Janeiro is exploding for carnival season. Once you've chosen your city, open ChatGPT and ask for a 30-day itinerary. You can be specific by asking for the top attractions, local food spots, hidden gems, and travel tips broken down week by week. ChatGPT can output a full month's plan in seconds. From there, you take the text and plug it into a Canva template. There are plenty of travel planner templates on Canva, and you can even make your own. Replace the city name, swap in relevant images from free sites like Unsplash or Pexels, and in less than an hour, you've got a polished product. Your Etsy store needs branding to stand out, but that's where AI also helps. Tools like Leonardo AI can generate a professional logo for free, and Nanolix can create unique store names. Once your store is set up, you upload your planner as a digital download and set a price. Many Etsy sellers charge between $5 and $15 for these guides. Even with just a few sales a day, the numbers add up quickly. And since the product is digital, it's infinitely scalable. Once the file is made, you never touch it again. The smart play is to rinse and repeat with multiple cities. Cover Paris, Tokyo, Rio, New York, Barcelona, Seoul, and any place that has constant tourist demand. The key is spotting gaps. If everyone is selling Paris itineraries, maybe target smaller cities that will have upcoming events or that are underserved on Etsy. The best part is that the customers are people who value their time and convenience, so they're happy to pay for a plug-and-play travel plan. AI Side Hustle. Selling AI-generated children's audiobooks is starting to catch serious momentum. Parents are always looking for bedtime stories, and kids love fresh characters and colorful tales. Traditionally, you'd need to be a writer, a voice actor, and maybe even a sound editor to make audiobooks. But with AI, it's practically automatic. You start by brainstorming titles with ChatGPT. Once you've got a title, you feed it back into ChatGPT and ask it to generate a full 600-word story. Show and use this prompt. Now write the children's bedtime story for this title. Insert title. The output is structured with a beginning, middle, and end, all written at a level a child can follow. Now comes the audio part. ElevenLabs is the best tool in the game for AI narration. They've even partnered with Spotify's Findaway Voices to let creators publish AI-narrated books more widely. You choose a kid-friendly voice from their library, paste in the story, and in less than a minute, you have a warm and natural audiobook file. You'd be surprised at how real the voices sound now. Some are soft and gentle, others energetic and fun. Download the audio and you're halfway done. Ask ChatGPT for a detailed image prompt for the bedtime story. Then feed that into Leonardo and you'll get a professional-looking children's book cover. Now you have both the audio and the artwork. The final step is publishing. If you're based in the US, Amazon's ACX lets you sell audiobooks on Audible and iTunes. If you're outside, Spotify's Findaway Voices accepts creators globally. That means your AI-made bedtime story can sit next to professional children's books and earn royalties. AI Side Hustle 3. This side hustle is more hands-on, and it pays faster. It's offering AI-powered photo restoration and upscaling services. If you check Fiverr or Upwork, you'll see freelancers charging for photo fixes like restoring old family pictures, colorizing black and white photos, and enhancing blurry shots. Some freelancers have made over 6 figures in total revenue from these gigs, which shows the demand is massive. Families want to restore photos of grandparents, couples want old wedding pictures touched up, and businesses need product images cleaned and sharpened. Here's how you enter the space. You create a freelancer profile on Upwork or Fiverr and list your skills as photo restoration and AI image editing. Jobs come in every day. Clients post requests like, upscale this blurry photo to 4K, or colorize this black and white wedding picture. You take on the requests and run the photos through AI tools like PicMagick and Bubby. Then you deliver the polished version to clients. For a single picture, clients pay anywhere from $5 to $50. If you bundle services, like offering a full album restoration, you can charge hundreds. The key is to complete small jobs fast to build reviews, then scale up with bulk packages. Once you've proven you deliver quality, clients keep coming back and word of mouth spreads. AI Side Hustle 4. This hustle is building faceless YouTube Shorts channels powered by AI. This is one of the fastest ways to create passive income right now because shorts are booming and the algorithm loves pushing them. The format that's killing it lately is what if storytelling. These are those short videos that ask strange questions like, what if humans could breathe underwater? Or what if you never slept again? They get millions of views because they trigger curiosity instantly. Setting this up is straightforward. First, you create a YouTube channel. You don't need to show your face or use your real name. You can use ChatGPT to generate a catchy channel name, a logo, and even a bio. Next, you ask ChatGPT for 10 what-if-style video titles. Once you've got them, you run another prompt to get full 60-second scripts. Show and use this prompt in the same ChatGPT chat. Write the narration text for the first video idea. Make sure that it has a strong hook, uses easy-to-understand language, and is very engaging. It should be 60 seconds long. When it comes to actually making the video, you can use a tool like Veed or InVideo. Just sign up for an account, look for the YouTube Shorts workflow, paste in your script or video idea, and then let the AI do its thing. You can edit in the app itself. You can also download the video and edit it in CapCut, where you can remove watermarks if you have them and add background music or any other little sound effects and edits you want. Upload one video per day, and your catalog grows quickly. The revenue comes from 2 streams. First, YouTube pays through the Shorts Fund and ad revenue once you hit monetization requirements. Second, you can promote affiliate products in your video descriptions. The key with this hustle, and all of the side hustles in this list, is that you stay consistent. Which of these hustles are you most interested in? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.